they belong. Apart from its ability to communicate with research personnel, SCP-1470 displays no behavior that was deviant from what it is typical of the Queensland variant of P. fimbriata. However, due to its anomalous ability to communicate, it is not recommended that any conclusions about the species be drawn based on the experiences of SCP-1470. Very simply, this is a spider that can talk through telepathic communication.
Whoopsie shit.
And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else about it besides
whatever.
being able to talk telepathically from one sapient being to another.
Yep.
Another little funny thing that was mentioned in this report is that it has an Australian accent. I would do an Australian accent.
That sounds like a Valgan.
Imitate it, but I can't do accents to save my
I
life.
can do accents, badly, of course.
SCP-1470. Like and favorite if you enjoyed. Subscribe to hear more.
So it's a portal spider that died. Telepathic spider that fucking died. Boo fucking who. Boo!
I'm Carrie D. I've had moderate to severe plaque psoriasis most of my life. But that hasn't stopped.
Hello there, and welcome back to another installment of SCP Readings with your reader here, G. Modon. Today we're looking at SCP-280. There's a link down in the description for you to follow along as I read out loud. SCP-280 is a black human-shaped mass with two large white eyes on the head and two hands with very long and thin fingers. No feet or legs are visible, as the lower portion of the body appears to fade away several centimeters from the ground. SCP-280 appears to be wholly comprised of matter that can gain or lose corporeal form. This matter is very black, with only the eyes showing any other color, and when changing to a non-corporeal form, looks much like smoke. The eyes are non-functioning and appear only when SCP-280 is retreating, appearing to be used like eye spots on some insects. SCP-280 is very strong and has been observed pulling apart steel with its hands, showing no sign of stress. SCP-280 moves with a gliding motion, with its hands extended, described as a sleepwalker pose by observers. SCP-280 will move slowly towards any human beings and attempt to attack them. SCP-280 appears to sense human life. No limit has yet been found on this ability. SCP-280 will approach to within 14 centimeters of a subject, and then use its hands to pull and tear at the subject, causing massive physical trauma. The attack can last between 1 and 5 minutes, and will continue until the death of the subject, at which point SCP-280 will expose its eyes, lose corporeal form, and move to the next human. If no humans are present, SCP-280 will move and ball up against a wall or other structure until a human being is again present. SCP-280 will retreat slowly from light, exposing its eyes in the direction of the light or at any nearby humans. This has been described as extremely disconcerting by those who have been stared at. If the area that SCP-280 currently resides in becomes fully illuminated, or there is a very bright burst of light, SCP-280 will fade away and reappear in another area. This appears to be done purely as a defense response to light, and will not be used to follow or attack prey. SCP-280 does not appear to eat, breathe, or sleep. It does not ingest any of the tissue removed during an attack, and simply drops it to tear a new piece. Due to its ability to become incorporeal at will, and its aggressive nature, no samples of SCP-280 have been collected. This one I'm going to say is personally one that scares me the most. Just by how creepy it sounds and how willing it is to just keep attacking you no matter what. This thing is just, it's just downright creepy. It's just a ball of kind of like smoke or like nearly like fog almost, that just kind of floats towards you in this manner that looks like it's sleepwalking, because it has arms and very, very long fingers. And what it does with these fingers is it comes up to you and it just starts tearing bits and pieces of your skin, flesh off until you die, pretty much. And it's so aggressive, it'll just kill anything that it sees, any human that it sees. It seems to sense these humans. However, its only weakness is light, really, really bright light. And as a defense mechanism, it seems to just kind of disappear as soon as a lot of light is in one area. So